Hi team, Snowflake Dan here with you. Today we're going to be covering over how to change your account name and additionally your organization name. Now, why does this matter that we change these names? Well, for the first part, something that you could do when you change your organization name and account name is you could actually have those two names as your URL. So you can think of them as domains. So if you were going to any tool and connecting that tool with your Snowflake account, or someone wants to go to the Snowflake account, the URL can be something like easyconnect primary.snowflakecomputing, or what's also known as the organization name the account name. So if I hit enter on that, you'll notice that I'll be able to come and log into my account without having this complex kind of name that Snowflake gives me by default. So great. So how do we kind of accomplish this? Well, we accomplish it through a support ticket. So the first thing we'll want to do is actually go to the support tab in the bottom left-hand corner underneath our username. Now, if you've never submitted a support ticket before, you might have to go to your profile and validate your email and also update your email if you haven't set one. So let's do that. So we'll head to Snowflake here. We'll head to the bottom left-hand corner. My name is in the way. We'll want to click on support. And then here we could see that we could create a new support ticket. So I'll click the top right hand corner of add support, and I'll want to give it a brief description. So in here I could say, I would like to change my organization name and account name. Then I could put in here, I would like to change my name, my org name to Easy Connect, and my account name to Primary. Now, the reason we give the name something like Primary, because this is my primary production account. I want everyone to know that this is the primary one. You can call this production if you'd like to. The next thing you'll want to set is a severity. In this case, severity 4, because this isn't drastically needed. It's not breaking anything. It's just something we want to do. So the next thing we'll want to do is actually select the category. And so if we head back to the tutorial and we scroll down a little bit, we'll notice that we want to select general administration and change account organization. So I'll simply go down to general administration and then the subcategory of change account organization. Now, don't worry, you could change the account organization name and also the account name in one singular ticket. And so if we go to the bottom, we don't need a query ID, a comment, or any watchers. We would simply click create case. But in my case, I've already submitted this ticket, so I wanted to show you what will happen afterwards. So after you submit a support ticket, it'll show up here. In my case, it's already been resolved, so I'll simply bring it up. So here you can see I've submitted it with change organization name to Easy Connect, and the support team worked with me to change the name. Something they might ask you is, how long would you like to keep the old name for temporarily? I think you can keep it up to 90 days. So it's really up to you as the user how long you want to keep that old organization name and account URL alive for. So once this is done, you'll be able to see your organization name updated by simply going over to your account, and you'll be able to hover over your account and you'll notice my organization is Easy Connect and this account is called Primary. So now that's the first option to do so. Additionally, another option is if you want to change your account name, not your org name, but you already have multiple accounts underneath your organization, you can simply go to admin and then accounts. You'll want to switch to the org admin role before you do so. And if you've never set up your org admin role, you could go back to the tutorial and it will walk you through how to do so. So if we go back to the Snowflake account, you'll notice I have a few accounts here. Maybe I wanted to rename one of them here, maybe the dev one. I could simply click edit account name and I could change this to develop. And then I could simply click save. And Snowflake will go through the process of updating the name of the account. So if I click refresh, you'll notice now this dev account is now called develop. This will only work though is if you have multiple accounts. You can't be in your primary accounts when you're trying to edit the name of it. So if you only have one account underneath your organization, you'd simply go through the support ticket. So this has been changing your organization name and account name in Snowflake. Thanks for watching.